Flowcode uses compiler toolchains to generate code for embedded devices. These can be found on the download page of the Flowcode website. In order to access these downloads, you will first need to log in. Enter your Flowcode username and password, then click Submit. The toolchains can be found in this row. Click the appropriate toolchain and it will be downloaded to your computer. Run the downloaded toolchain file and progress through each step of the installation process. Once the toolchain has been installed, Flowcode will be able to create code for the devices supported by the toolchain. Other toolchains can be downloaded and installed from the Flowcode website in a similar manner. You can check to see which toolchains are installed by viewing Flowcode's Global Settings screen. Click the Locations tab to see the location of the installed toolchains. Thank you for watching.